to get this on camera. Some discoveries that I've made as of recently. So I was doing a backwards weave and I decided to roll it with the same one and catch it. It can even be more of like a so I figured out you can do this though. I turn after I go from this side. How? Oh, over the head. Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.